Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Talha Hamdani, and today I'm going to discuss the idea for textile circular economy for Price Challenge Fund. The topic is the study for energy saving potential in air-jet weaving machines using remote monitoring system. If we see a overall picture of Pakistan textile industry, so we understand that this industry is very much focused on increasing production and of course at the same time maintaining the quality of their products. But the issue lies there is a very little awareness regarding potential saving in air jet weaving machine using compressed air, which use a compressed air as a jet media, uh, which make their product less competitive in terms of price, and also if they are not aware of such energy potential, so this also increase the in carbon foots to the environment. And the ground reality is the scenario is that when the weavers or the managers select the weaving machines, regarding they only consider two important things: the production, the quality, and of course the cost of the machine, not the cost of the product. So they mainly rely on the information provided by the supplier. Unfortunately, they don't have readily available information by third party. So let us discuss some facts regarding these weaving machines. Um, the Pakistan imports around $50,000 million in terms of machinery and the mechanical appliances, and these weaving machines stands on number 25th among these import, and the total volume of this import of these weaving machines, which mainly import from Belgium and the Japan and some other countries, this accounts 60 million US dollar. These weaving machines use compressed air as a jet media to insert the weft yarn into the newly opened shed. And imagine the 85% of the electrical energy during the production of this compressed air is gone wasted in the form of heat, and only 15% is actually converted into the production of the compressed air, which makes it highly expensive utility. And we don't consider this invisible cost. But if we handle this, so we can decrease the cost, we can make the product more competitive, and we can also decrease the footprints. Now, considering these facts, I have two questions in my mind, because there are a number of available manufacturers for air-jet weaving machine in the market. So, which air-jet weaving machine is more competitive in terms of air consumptions? The answer is no such comparative studies are available. And second question is how to make weaving operation more competitive, because we ignore the leakages, and there is a different scenario in weaving shed when we use compressed air, as I mentioned, because it doesn't comes into the electricity bill as a different as a separate entity. So the compressor systems are not implemented efficiently, and they're mainly focused on towards the production of the fabric, production of the machine, and this is still area which requires attention. Realizing the importance of this area, we already established a center of excellence in compressed air, which we named as SICA, in collaboration with the Asian Institute of Industrial Air and few industrial partners. And we have a list of equipments already available, and we use this system for training and the awareness of the industry, so they make their compressor system more efficient and more competitive. In addition to the already available resources, we may need some additional portable devices like energy analyzer, leak detection system, flow meters, and some other monitoring devices. And we may set up these devices into industry by industry, like various industries, and we may select 3 to 5 industries, and we will start collecting data, which can take up to 8 weeks, and then we will analyze and we will recommend some um, best practices to the industry, how they can reduce their cost uh, for export, and how they can reduce the carbon footprints to improve the climate. The implementation of these studies could create an impact of saving 300 million Pakistani rupees per annum. Thank you very much.